Welcome to QR code 2. So in this question, you're told that in a city, 33% of the people have been vaccinated against influenza. The person who has been vaccinated has a 6% chance of catching influenza. A person who has not been vaccinated has a 41% chance of catching influenza. What's the probability that a person selected at random will catch influenza? So the first thing you need to do is to think about what are the two events here. Vaccination and not is one event, and the other event is catching influenza or not catching influenza. So there's two things. So if we're going to draw a tree diagram, we're going to have our first branch talking about vaccination. So either you're vaccinated or you're not vaccinated. If you're vaccinated, that's 33%, so that's 0.33 as a decimal. That means that 67% are not vaccinated, or 0.67. That then takes us to what happens if you've been vaccinated. Can you catch influenza or not catch influenza? So either you catch flu or you don't catch the flu. We're told that if you've been vaccinated, you still have a 6% chance of catching it, so that's going to be 0.06. That means that 94% of people will not catch it if they've already been vaccinated. And then we've got people who have not been vaccinated, which is this one. You have got a 40, either you're going to catch the flu or not catch the flu. So you've got 41% chance of catching it, which is 0.41. That means you've got a 0.59% chance of catching it, not catching it. Okay, so if we're going to catch flu, we are interested in what's happening here when you have been vaccinated and what happens here if you have not been vaccinated. So there's two chances here. We've got the probability that you've been vaccinated and you catch the flu, or there's the probability that you haven't been vaccinated but you catch the flu. And these are both ands. So that means we're going to be multiplying here. So we've got 0.33 times 0.06 plus for the or part and 0.67 times 0.41. So we need to work things out separately with our calculator, which when you do that, you get for the first part 0.018 plus the second one, so 67 times 41 is 0.2747. Now, make sure you keep all those figures. Don't round them just now because that will change your answer. You need to keep all of them. When we add those together, we get 0.2945. And that's your answer. You want to change it to a percentage because that's what you were given in the first place. It would be 29.45%.